सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। In the Phalashruti, Shloka number 123. वेदान्तगो ब्राह्मणस्यात् क्षत्रियो विजयी भवेत् वैश्यो धनसमृद्धस्यात् शूद्रः सुखमवाप्नुयात्। ब्राह्मणः वेदान्तगः स्यात्. Whoever chants, recites this Vishnu Sahasranama, that Brahmanaha, a Brahmanaha means one who wants to know the real nature of Brahman is called Brahmanaha, and who is endowed with sattvic nature is called Brahmanaha. A person whose nature is fully sattvic, that person alone wants to know the Brahman. Sattvic nature is that nature which takes the person to the spiritual life. That is Sattvika Guna. That Sattvika Guna, whoever has got that Sattvika Guna is a Brahmana, according to scriptures. Whoever likes to listen even Vishnu Sahasranama is also a Brahmana. And the Manahpanma irikkarade Sattvagunam. So, because of that Sattva-guna, he is called as Brahmana, according to scriptures. So, Veda is the Pramanam, not our intentions. So, such Brahmana, by reciting this Vishnu Sahasranama, by understanding, listening, Vedantagaha bhavati. Vedantagaha means Vedantam. What is Vedantam? Vedantanam Upanishadartham. What is Vedantam? The end portion of Veda, that is nothing but Upanishad. And Upanishad not only reciting, Artham, meaning, knowing the meaning of the Upanishad, Upanishadartham, Brahma. What is the Artha? What Upanishad conveys? Brahma. Upanishad talks about Brahma. That Brahman, Gacchati means Avagacchati, he attains, understands. Whoever recites Vishnu Sahasranama, listens, such a person, such a Brahmana, attains Brahmajnanam. Vedantagaha means he understands the meaning of Upanishad, that which is Brahman. What is knowing the Artham? The meaning of Upanishad means knowing himself as Brahman. That is the knowing the meaning of Upanishad. Not Pratipadartham, knowing word by word. After knowing that Pratipadartham, the meaning, I am that Brahman. That is called real understanding. Avagacchati means Gaha anade Gacchati, Avagacchati means understands. Therefore, Acharya says in that meaning, Vedantagaha. Then previously, by Japa only, Kim Japan Muchyate Jantuhu Janma Samsara Bandhanat, we said, by just Japa only, person can be free from Samsara Bandhanam. Then Shankaracharya elaborately writes the Bhashyam, we should not take literally. Once you take literally, people think Kali Kalmasha Chittanam. By name, Nama Japa itself moksha comes. What is the use of Upanishad? No need of Acharyas, Gurus. Everyone sit at home and do Japa. Everybody will get moksha. Vishnu Sahasranama daily, thousands of times you Parayana Pandite irkalam. Throughout the day you can do Parayana. Then you can get moksha. So Acharya says it's not that meaning we have to take here. By chanting regularly, the Chitta Shuddhi takes place. It is an Anushtanam. Chanting, reciting, Parayanam is a Anushtanam. The regular Parayana keeps the mind in track with the Lord. So, mind is not allowed to go to other worldly matters. But people are chanting, mind is going outwards. At least go on doing years together. Oru naal kavadu enakku chitta shuddhi varamattada Shastra thinks. So, if you know the artham, see 1.5 years you are coming and listening, trying to understand this artha. So that prayatnam helps the person to understand. By chanting one day, you come to know. So many years you are chanting Vishnu Sahasranama. From so many years you are chanting, maybe from childhood some of you are chanting. That alone brought you to understand this artha. And the samskara is not there. Today you cannot come here to know the artha. Is it not? So that samskara brought you to study the artha. After knowing the artha, I come to know, just knowing artha, chanting will never help. This creates further interest in knowing my real nature, Vishnu's real nature. Therefore, Shankaracharya tells in this, for this line itself, he writes a lot, Bhashyam, Jnanenaiva mokshaha darshayitum. Jnanenaiva mokshaha darshayitum Vedantagaha brahmana syat ityuktam. Acharya says, beautiful word here. Karmanam sakshat muktir hetutvam nasti. Karmana means by karma. Parayanam is a karma. Anushtanam is a karma. By Parayanam, sakshat hetu nasti. Sakshat means directly you will never get self-knowledge by doing Parayana. After 1.5 years, I have to create more interest to study scriptures. That's the foundation. Why Vishnu Sahasranama we study? Slowly I have to create interest in Atma Jnanam. That's the main purpose of the Guru. So, the purpose of teaching is to create more interest in you on Atma Jnanam. So, therefore, moksha will come, Atma Jnana will come only by studying scriptures. That Atma Jnana is possible only continuous listening. This continuous listening helps you to get desire for that. So, this is the job of the teacher. A guru has to do all these things. Students do not know what teacher is going to do. Lot of plans are there in the mind, Guru's mind, but Guru never say outside. Like mother never say all the plans, father, mother never say plans, because even they say, child cannot understand, because immature, no, child understands later. So similarly, while the Guru also teaching, there is a method, how to feed this Atma Jnanam. So Acharya says, Sakshat mokshaha nasti, mukti hethu nasti, karmana. That's how many thousands of times if you read Vishnu Sahasranama, no use. That Vishnu Sahasranama helps you to come to Shastra. That is why today morning I heard Kripananda Variyar. Have you heard Kripananda Variyar? If you want to improve your bhakti, just listen him daily. Morning and evening, if you listen only his speech, you get to develop tremendous bhakti. Therefore, we have to really cry for the Lord. Cry for the Lord. Bhagavan, so many things we are crying. If I cry for Bhagavan, definitely Bhagavan give moksha. I want moksha. I do not know that moksha or Atma Jnanam enakku theriyadu. Enakku manasu amaidi venum, nimmadi venum. You cry in front of the Lord, bound to come, that knowledge. எப்படியாவது பகவான் ஓடி ஓடி குருவுக்காக தேடி இல்லைன்னா அவரே வந்துடுவார். So that is why that all these religious practices, scriptures totally come and the end to the scriptures. So அழணும் பகவானுக்காக first. Then you have such an intense love, desire, Bhagavan. Cry and ask him why. Why ignorance at all? I can't withstand with this ignorance. Therefore, Acharya says, Sakshat moksha hetu nasti karma. Whatever you do, in how much tremendous parayanam, no use. Because all Upanishad says, yogina karma kurvanti sangam tyaktva atma shuddhaye. All yogis, they do karma. Sangam tyaktva anchunar. Sangam tyaktva means without any attachment na pannadu. Patru illamale pannadu. Idu naan pandren, I am doing. That intention irukka kodadu. Ahankaram illamale. Sangam tyaktva. Then what for I have to do? Without attachment I can't do. But there is some other intention. Atma shuddhaye. Atma shuddhaye ante manas shuddhaye. Therefore, karmana badhyate chintuhu. Why this yogi does like this? Yogi means one who integrated his mind towards that destination, the goal. Because that person knows karmana badhyate chintuhu. All these karmas, more and more they will bind you. Suppose you only chant doing Parayanam, the more you study the Parayanam, lot of ego comes. Karmana, that also a karma. Sattvic karma, and if Sakama karma it is, gives a lot of ahankara. Adi theriyum, idi theriyum, Vyakaranam theriyum, Jyotisham theriyum. Some people were crazy. But Vedantam teachers Jyotisham therinjirukanu. They are all planning how to learn Jyotisham. Jyotisham he will become popular. So that become crazy. Even Vedantic field also, there are so many traps. If you are not alert, within fraction of seconds, your mind drags by so many things. Even this high field also. Even this puja, punaskaram, parayanam, anushtanam also, we have to know their limitations. Unfortunately, many people come to this religious field and follow anushtanam, do puja, upanya, all these things, punaskaram, and they are trapped by that. That's a problem. So, losing the track, and Guru has to come and pull again back. So, slowly brought to Vedantana, adi padikano, idi padikano, adi padi, idi padi, adilone they are go on doing. Again, Guru has to pull back. This is the Guru job. Periya job anukono Guru. Really, Guru has a tough task because it is natural. When we are taking the child, going to shop, the Nilagiri Kamasena, somewhere you go, what child does? Child going seeing this and that and go on catching that and that. And mother has to bring that child back again. Just like that. That's why Guru is like a mother. Guru is like a mother. That's why Guru shouts, mother, how she shows love, and she shouts and she'll beat also sometimes. Why? For the child's sake. So therefore Guru also always warns, condemns, sometimes shouts at the student. And all this for what sake? Only to correct that student. And the madri, தாய் மேல எவ்வளவு பாசம் இருக்குமோ அந்த குழந்தைக்கு, அந்த குரு மேல ஸ்டூடெண்ட் கூட அவ்வளவு பாசம் இருக்கணும், இன்னும் ஜாஸ்தி இருக்கணும்னு சொல்லணும். அம்மா only she'll take care of physical body, but whereas Guru gives another janma, different janma. That is moksha Guru gives. எப்படின்னு சொல்ல முடியாது, எல்லா வேர்ட்ஸ்ல தெரியாது. Something happens here. No. Therefore karmana badhyate jantuhu, don't trap by all these things. No. Then atma jnanena mokshahan, Shankaracharya says. Then he quotes so many quotations from Upanishads. If you think if it is possible, no, many gurus already, acharyas, they don't have guru at all, they have not studied scriptures and they got moksha. If you think like that, suppose some people are there thinking, no, the midi jnanam ani solluvam, they are not understood fully, and seeing many other people, Meerabhai enna padichirukka, what she has studied, like that, some examples they'll take. So Shvetashara Upanishad put one challenge in front of all people. If you think without jnanam you will get moksha, you have to fulfill one condition. Suppose if you think without jnanam, without studying scriptures, without guru, without acharya, if you think I will get moksha, if you think, you have to fulfill one condition. Shastra says, Shvetashara Upanishad says, the sloka, yada charmavad akasham veshta ishyanti manavaha. Charmavad akasham. Charmavana, the skin. Just you fold the skin, you have to fold the sky. Yatha charmavad akasham. You can take a mattress. The mattress madri, you have to fold whole sky. Mudima. If it is possible, manavaha, tada devam avijnaya dukkasyan antaha bhavishyate. So if they do like that, they will get that knowledge. Dukkham, they will free from dukkham. Whatever the benefit they get through jnanam, they will also get by if they perform this. If they fulfill this condition. Mudima. Shvetashvara Upanishad says, imagine how Shastra is Pramanam says. Therefore, Shravanam, Mananam, Nididhyasanam must. This Shravanam, Mananam, Nididhyasanam also works when I have Chitta Shuddhi. Chitta Shuddhi ellanna ide ஏட்டு சுரக்காய் மாதிரி. அது நிறைய பேர் வேதாந்தம் வந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் கூட ஏன் ஞானம் வரமாட்டேங்கிறது என்ன காரணம்? அழுக்கு இருக்கு அர்த்தம். எங்கே இருக்கு அழுக்கு? என்ன வெளியில் சுத்தமாக தானே இருக்க, உள்ளே இருக்கப்பா அழுக்கு, எனக்கு தெரியலையே. அதுதான் மாயா. என்ன தெரிஞ்சால் எல்லாம் க்ளீன் பண்ணுவேமே, எங்கே இருக்க அழுக்குன்னு தெரியாது. But one thing is indicator. What is indicator? My sorrow has not gone, my ignorance has not gone, means there is something obstructing. What is something obstructing? Maybe I am not sadhana chatushtaya sampanna. There is something wrong in my fulfillment of that what Shastra wants. This is the exact understanding of a student. Real mumukshu always questions himself, not Shastra, not the teacher. Never question the teacher, he questions himself or herself. So, Acharya tells all these quotations. Then lastly he says in this sloka, Kshatriyaha Vijayi Bhavet. The Kshatriya Gunaha, we are seeing Chaturvaranyam, you know. These Kshatriyaha, what they want? Kshatriya Guna people, industrious people, administration always they want to do. They are all called Kshatriyas. Those people want what? Success. Victory they want. Jayam. So those who are all, they want that Jayam. Therefore those who chant Vishnu Sahasranama, I will give Jayam. Success. They will get success in their life. Then Vaishyaha Dhanam Samuddhaha Syat. Samruddhi. Full abundantly. Samruddhi means fully. He will get lot of dhanam. What for dhana? Vaishya Guna Sampanna. The Vaishya that who is oriented to earn money, business. Ellame panam, 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 panam. ஸோ அந்த மனசு பான்மை இருந்து இது படித்தா என்ன வரும்? மோட்சமாக வரும்? மோட்சமே கேட்கலையே, கேட்டு தானே வரும். வாட் ஹி வாண்ட்? மணி. ஸோ மணி வரும். தட்ஸ் வை மெனி பீப்புள் டு விஷ்ணு சஹஸ்ரநாம அர்ச்சனை. பண்ணு பண்ணு பண்ணு. எங்கே பார்த்தா ஒரே விஷ்ணு சஹஸ்ரநாம அர்ச்சனை. பகவான் நோ ஓ ஏர்ன் மணி, ஐ கிவ் சம்டைம் ஒன்ஸ், ஆஃப்டர் சம்டைம் அட்லீஸ்ட் யூ ஹாவ் டு கம் டு மீ. ஸோ தேர் ஃபோர் வைஷ்யாக தே chant for money and I will give money for them. Shudraha sukham avapnuyat. Shudraha are those people hard working, no? They are service oriented. Serve panni panni panni. Shudraha nature is what? Tamo guna. எனக்கு எல்லாம் சுகமே கிடையாது. அங்கே வேலை பண்ணி இங்கே வேலை பண்ணி ஏதோ பண்ணிட்டே இருப்பாங்க. தமோ குணத்தினால, பிகாஸ் நோ இன்டெலிஜென்ஸ், நோ ஆக்டிவிட்டி. ஸோ வாட் யூ டூ? தமோ குணத்தினால, பிகாஸ் யூ ஹாவ் டு டூ ஆல்வேஸ் சம் கமாண்ட் பை அதர்ஸ், ஸ்லேவரி ஒர்க். Because you cannot think by yourself, you have to depend on others all the time for your survival. So you cannot have any administrative capacity also. So the more you depend upon others, sukham irukuma? Sarvam paravasham dukkham. The more you depend on others, what is there? Dukkham there. That's why those people who are all depending physically, mentally, lot of dukkham involves. So that dukkham, they want to come out of that dukkham. So what they require, they want, what they desire? Sukham. So those people cannot chant directly. They should not. According to Shastra, Sudras should not chant directly. Even Acharya also should not teach directly to Sudra. Those are having Sudra Gunam. I am telling. Sudra Gunam, that means what? Tamasic nature, Shuddhi கிடையாது, மானசிக சுத்தி கிடையாது, எப்பவுமே ஒரு டல்னஸ் நேச்சர். Such people an Acharya should not teach directly, but they also should get benefit. So what these Acharyas do, they keep one Brahmana in front. Through Brahmana, when they are teaching, it goes to that Shudra. Shudra also can sit in the class. Shudra also can sit, but directly according to Shastra, Acharya should not teach to Shudra, because he is not fit to listen directly, because he has no Antashuddhi. Shastra should not be given to such people, those who are not desired. Shudra never desire. Tamoguna person, sadhana chatushtaya sampattis are not there. So he is not able to take directly. So what Acharya does, Guru does, teaching Brahmana directly. So indirectly it goes to, he can listen, but he should not chant. He should not chant Veda mantras, he should not yajanam, yajanam, pathanam, pathanam, idellame kadiyave kadiyadu. If you become a Shuddha, Antakrana Shuddhi is there, if you claim, you can go to that status. So Shudras also can perform, but at the same time, Shudras will get that benefit also. If they listen, the same benefit they get. But it takes time. Brahmanaha get moksha directly, because they have crossed all these levels, Tamoguna, Rajoguna, Sattva-guna, they have gone all these things. Therefore, they are able to understand, grasp, get the benefit. So, Shudra also, it takes time for them. Konja distance jaasti. That is the real Shudra another. Not caste-wise. Not jati-ritya Shudra kadiyadu. Guna-ritya. As long as the Tamo-guna dominant, sit away, that's all. As long as Rajoguna sit in the middle, because you are Vaisyana, selfishly motivated. Selfishness is there. Whereas Brahmana is one, not Jati Brahmana. A Brahmana is one, sits front, selflessly. The whole life is for the sake of society, not thinking for his sake. So that's why we have given that Sattvic people name Brahmanas. So they are in the front, they listen first. Then that Kshatriyas, Rajoguna Sampannaha. Then Rajoguna, Tamoguna Sampannaha, then Tamoguna. So solely the Tamoguna people have to come forward to Sattva-guna. That's why they have given this Padimadre. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಬೋಯ್ಡ್ಸಿ ಜಾತಿ ಬ್ರಾಹ್ಮಣ ಜಾತಿ ಕ್ಷತ್ರಿಯ ಜಾತಿ ಶೂದ್ರನ எடுத்துட்டு ஒரே குழப்பம் சொசைட்டிలో கன்ஃபியூஷன் அண்ட் எல்லா பார்ஷியாலிட்டி அண்ட் தே ஆர் ஜஸ்ட் த்ரோயிங் டஸ்ட் ஆன் அவர் ஸ்கிரிப்சர்ஸ். இதெல்லாம் இப்படி சொல்லியிருக்கேன்னு சொல்கிறான். எப்படி தெரியும் இதெல்லாம்? ஒரு ஆச்சாரியன் சொல்லலைன்னு நமக்கு தெரியாது இல்லையா? ஸோ ஐ ஹாவ் டு ஸ்டடி ஃப்ரம் ஏ குரு வாட் இஸ் வாட் ஹியர், வை திஸ் டிஃபரன்சியேஷன். I have to understand Shudra also given importance. Shudra also can listen. The same benefit is going to get, but indirectly, constant time of that is the difference. Yes, because Tamoguna dominance in Avarana. Therefore, they have to come slowly from that Avarana, Vikshepa, then they come to the clear thinking. So this mantra is very, very giving complications in the society. Brahmana, Kshatriya, Sudra, Chanar, Papa Mundana, Larkme. Brahmana, Kshatriya, Sudra, what intention Shastra is telling, at least first Brahmana should understand. Engineer seat kadikala anna, yemma nanu Brahmana parandana kekara payyan undu amma. Forward casting engineering seat kadiyadu. And sonna udane nalla mark vaangitan. Then he is asking his mother, why I born in this Brahmin family anna. Amma ku onnu theriyadu, appa ku adu mele theriyadu. Enna solla mudiyum andha payyanikku? I would have born in BC or on the caste level, backward caste, nalla irkume. So how, because of misunderstanding, how that society la na madri manappanamai varudana dangerous thinking. The thinking is not healthy thinking. So it's very important to understand this. Next sloka. धर्मार्थी प्राप्नुयात् धर्मम् अर्थार्थी चार्थमाप्नुयात् कामानवाप्नुयात् कामी प्रजार्थी चाप्नुयात् प्रजाम्. The whole sloka tells, whatever you desire, you get. That bhavam, tad bhavati. Whatever you think, so you become. Similarly, whatever you desire, you get. Then it is Bhagavan's job whether you deserve or not. First you desire. And if you are not getting, you have to make yourself to deserve to attain that, to fulfill that desire. See, I want moksha, suppose. I desire. Am I deserved for that moksha? Desire will never fulfill by the Lord. So, before I am desiring that, I have to make myself fit for that, and I have to make myself competent to attain that. So, dharmarthi dharmam apnuyat. Dharmaha arthyate. Dharma means here we can take not only this dharma, no? The moksha, dharma, purushartha, whatever he desires. All 4 Purusharthas he is mentioning, 3 Purusharthas he has mentioned, and moksha included in this first line. Dharmarthi and all 4 Purusharthas, dharma and moksha you can take. Because this person is Sattvic person, the first line person. He wants dharma. Dharma means that includes everything. Artha, kama, moksha, dharma also included. Therefore, he intelligently asks for dharma. Indirectly, what he is going to get? Moksha alone. So, dharma leads to moksha. So, whole Shastra, if you divide into 2, dharmam and moksha. Only 2 things are there, dharma and brahma. Dharmam and brahma. So, dharmathikku vanduttaana brahmathikku kitte irukonu ardham. Clear? So, if you come to dharma, dharmic life, if you follow values, if you do nitya karma anushtanam, if you do all your duties, and you do rituals, 3 irukku. Dharma vanna 3 meanings sonna. One is following the values, and we are following the values also. Satyam, ahimsa, satyam, asteyam, brahmacharyam, all these things. And you are doing your duties also. Nitya anushtanam, pancha mahayagnas you are doing. Then another dharma means what? Rituals. Small rituals you are doing. Puja, punaskaram, vratam, all these things. So these 3 levels if you are following dharma, naturally you come to moksha. Vendana kuda vandu. In the 3 pannitona, and the dharma takes the person to that moksha. So dharmarthi dharmam apnuyatana, he attains that dharmam. So here dharma leads to brahma. So dharmam illamale brahmanukku vara mudiyadu. You desire also that brahman, what happens? In the janmala mudiyadu, next janmala mudiyadu, you are go on desiring but you are not getting. That is the reason. So that's why in childhood onwards, you inculcate dharma in the children. Dharma irunda artham kama naturally comes, spontaneous. Yavanartha udapane sarvata samplutovadake. Included in that. Then artharthi, arthamapniyat. Artha means money. All types of prosperity. Health, weed, vasal, ellame. All nice atmosphere. Sukhama irukradhukaga enna venumo saapudadella digestion aaganume. So you require money. Good health is also artham. So that artham, money, wealth, all sorts of money. So health is also one type of money. Having house is also one type of money. Having land is also one type of money. Having knowledge is also one type of money. So artham, so many meanings are there. Such a person gets money by reciting, chanting Vishnu Sahasranama. Kami kaman apnuyat. Kamanavan apnuyat. Kami means the desirer. Those who want to fulfill whatever his desire. Kamaha yasya asti iti kami. The one who has got the desire is called kami. Such kami apnuyat kaman. Avapnuyat. He attains. Kaman means all those desires he attains. Why he attains? How he attains? Daily listening, chanting, doing parayanam. Bhagavan, Ishvara, no? He has to fulfill those desires. அங்கேயே ஃபுல்ஃபில் பண்ணலான்னு அது கூட பண்ண மாட்டான். ஈவன் இந்த சாண்டிங் கூட விட்டுடுவான். இந்த சாண்டிங் தான் சித்த சுத்திக்கே கொஞ்சம் காரணம். இப்போ நான் இஃப் ஐ டோன்ட் ஃபுல்ஃபில் தோஸ் டிசைர்ஸ், ஹீ வில் ஸ்டாப் த சாண்டிங். வர வேண்டிய சித்த சுத்தி கூட போயிடும். அந்த சித்த சுத்தி வரல, அந்த மோட்சமே வராது. பாவம் பகவானுக்கு பெரிய ஜாப்னு எல்லாம் சான்ஸ் கொடுக்குறாரு, எல்லாம் மார்ஜின். ஸோ மெனி மார்ஜின்ஸ் ஹி இஸ் கிவிங். So therefore Bhagavan fulfills all his desires. Prajarthi apnuyat prajam. Those whoever wants children, குழந்தையிலேயே கல்யாணம் ஆகலையேன்னு ஒரு கவலை. கல்யாணம் ஆகிற வரைக்கும் அம்மா கவலை, அப்பாவுக்கு கவலை, கல்யாணம் ஆகலையே. கல்யாணம் ஆனதுக்கப்புறம் குழந்தை பிறக்கலையே. அது பெரிய ஆனால் இன்னும் அது அப்சஷன். It is not joke. Already you are having, you do not know that. Those are not having, and see and talk to them, what a tremendous insecurity they feel. குழந்தை இல்லைன்னா அது ஒரு லைஃபான்னு சொன்னோம். நான் சொன்னேன்லே ஒரு ஆள், அவர் நோ சில்ட்ரன், இஸ் ஹேவிங் எவ்ரி திங். இந்த கோலம் போட்ட மாதிரி இருக்கும். வீட்டில் வாசலில் போட்டின கோலம் அப்படியே இருக்கக்கூடாது, அந்த குழந்தை வந்து கலக்கணும், அப்போ தான் அந்த வீடுக்கே அழகு. அவர் சொல்லுவார், என்ன போட்டின கோலம் போட்டின மாதிரி இருக்கு. இமேஜின் ஹவ் பர்சன் திங்ஸ். ஆமாம், குழந்தை இல்லைன்னா மோட்சமே இருக்காது. பிகாஸ் திஸ் பர்சன் திங்ஸ், இஃப் ஐ டோன்ட் ஹேவ் சில்ட்ரன், எனக்கு பிண்டதானம் கிடையாது. இஃப் நோ பிண்டதானம், நோ ஸ்ராத்த கர்மா, ஐ ஹாவ் டு சஃபர் தேர் இன் பித்ருலோகா. இஃப் ஐ சஃபர் தேர், ஐ வில் நெவர் கெட் எனி அகெயின் ஹியூமன் பர்த். ஹியூமன் பர்த் கிடைக்கல, மோட்சம் வராது. தேர்ஃபோர் புண்ணாம நரக்கம் வந்துடும். குழந்தை இல்லைன்னா புண்ணாம நரக்கம் வந்துடும். இந்த புண்ணாம நரக்கமத்தில் வந்து போகணும்னு ஐ வாண்ட் ஏ சரி. ஸோ தேர்ஃபோர் प्रजार्थी those who desire, प्रजाः अर्थ्यते अर्थयते इति, who desire children they will get children. சும்மா இல்லை, recite பண்ணணும். They have to chant Vishnu Sahasranama, they have to listen to Vishnu Sahasranama, they will get all those desires, they will fulfill by this chanting. All those desires will be fulfilled. Next sloka we'll read. भक्तिमान्यः सदोत्थाय शुचिस्तद्गतमानसः सहस्रं वासुदेवस्य. भक्तिमान्यः, यः भक्तिमान्यः, the subject you have to supply, the one who has got the devotion. Bhaktimanyah means whose mind is full of devotion. The one who want to chant this Vishnu Sahasranama, and manas eppadi irukana, bhakti irukanum first. Bhaktimanyah, devotion, and sada utthaya, sadotthaya. Sada utthaya means here literal meaning is having woken up. Here having woken up, get up early morning, Suchis Tadgatamanasa, take bath and chant, literal meaning. But exact meaning is what? Sathothaya means be alert, aware of your goal. Sada Utthaya means what? Always be aware of your goal. Parama Purushartham. Manava Janmathinuடைய இந்த பிரயோஜனம் என்னன்னு தெரிஞ்சது சதா உத்தாயன்னு அர்த்தம். சதா உத்தாய நான் எழுந்துக்கிட்டே இருக்கேனே, ஆல்ரெடி ஐ எம் கெட்டிங் அப். தட் இஸ் நாட் சஃபிஷியன்ட் மோக்ஷாக்கு. மோக்ஷம் எப்போ வேணும், எப்போ வருமா பார்க்கணும், ஃபஸ்ட்டு எதிர்பார்க்கணும். அப்புறம் நான் முக்தனாக தெரியற வரைக்கும் we have to do this. So sada uttaya, so that means what? Daily we have to do parayanam. Not only Vishnu Sahasra Nama Parayanam alone, any Parayanam, Lalita Sahasra Nama Parayanam, any other Parayanam you can. So we don't say Vishnu Sahasra Nama padikumbodhu Vishnu Sahasra Nama perume solrom avladha. Whatever you want to chant, just to chant. So therefore sada uttaya, shuchihi means having, make himself pure. Bahya shuchihi, antah shuchihi. Bahya shauchamanna, taking bath, wearing clean clothes, the bahya shuchihi, and keeping the puja room clean, first house fully clean. Then you have to clean your body externally, and vak suddhi also, clean words. Shuchihi na ella puja room clean பண்ணிட்டு அழகா டெக்கரேஷன் பண்ணிட்டானா வாக் சுத்தமா இருக்கணும். வாக் சுத்திக்கு அப்புறம் மனசுத்தி இருக்கணும். அது மன அந்தசுத்தி. என்ன சுச்சி என்ன? பாஹ்ய சுத்தி, அந்தசுத்தி ரெண்டு வேணும். மனசா வாச்ச கர்மண, சாரீரிக சுத்தி, வாக் சுத்தி, மனசுத்தி. இந்த மூணு இருக்கணும்னுக்கு தான் அந்த மோட்சம் வரும். இது படிச்சுன்னா பிரயோஜனம். இல்லைன்னா இயர்ஸ் டுகெதர் கோ ஆன் பேரட் மாதிரி. Parrot also chant mantras, no? What is the use of it? So therefore, these three shuddhis are important. Shuchihi, tad gata manasaha. Appadi irundha manasu vechi pannanum. Tad gata means endowed with such a type of mind. Pure mind, pure words he should have. And sada uthaya, alert. Marakka kodadu. கொஞ்ச நாள் கிளாஸுக்கு போலையே, திருப்பி எல்லாமே பழசு மாதிரி ஆயிட்டான்னு. இந்த பேட்டரி மாதிரி இருந்தால் எப்படி லைஃப் லாங் பேட்டரி மாதிரி இருந்ததுன்னா பேட்டரி வீக் ஆகிட்டே இருக்கும். அவருக்கு ஸ்லோகம் எடுத்துக்கிட்டு இந்த பலஸ்ருத்தில் இட்ஸ் கம்ஸ் Phalashruti. And give that book. So, Dharmarthi Chapniyat Dharma, adukapram slokam. So, Tadgata Manasaha. We should have such type of mind and chants, recites. What we have to Sahasram Vasudevasya. Etat Vasudevasya Namnam Sahasram Prakirtayet. Etat means all these names, whatever we have studied up to now, those 1000 names. Etat Namnam Vasudevasya. Whose names? Here Vasudevasya. The names of the Lord Vasudeva. Sahasram, 1000 names. Namnam Sahasram. Sahasram, 1000 names படிக்கணும். ஒரு நேம் ரெண்டு நேம் படிச்சுனா போகாது. 1000 நேம்ஸ்னா ஒரு நேமுக்கு அழுக்கு பூரா போகாது. 1000 நேம்ஸ்க்கு போனால் பெரிய விஷயம். அவ்வளோ டெப்த்தாக இருக்கு இல்லையா? ஸோ மஸ்ட் சாண்ட் பிரகீர்த்தையே தண்டை ஹீ ஷுட் மஸ்ட் சாண்ட் ஹேவிங் ஃபுல் டிவோஷன் வித் ஹேவிங் ஓக்கன் அப்னு மென்டலி ஆல்சோ ஓக்கன் அப். பாடி மாத்திரம் ஓக்கன் அப். மனசு இல்லை எனக்கு மூடு இல்லை விஷ்ணு சஹஸ்ரநாமம் படிக்கிறதுக்கு அனுக்கூடாது. டெய்லி பண்ணுறேன் பாராயணம், இன்னைக்கு மட்டும் பண்ணல என்ன அண்ணா என்ன சதா உத்தாயம் கிடையாது, அலர்ட்னஸ் இல்லைன்னு அர்த்தம். ஸோ சதோத்தாய சுச்சி ஹேவிங் பியோர் மைண்ட் அண்ட் ஹேவிங் பியோர் ஃபிசிக்கல்லி மென்டல்லி வெர்பல்லி பியோர் ஹி ஹேஸ் டு சாண்ட். இதெல்லாம் கண்டிஷன்ஸ் பண்ணினாதான் ஃபலம் வரும். அதுதான் பலம் வரேன்னா இஃப் யூ ஆர் எ சகாம பக்தா யூ வாண்ட் தோஸ் டிசைர்ஸ் யூ ஹாவ் டு fulfill all these conditions. If you don't have all these desires, sakama, material desires you don't want, எனக்கு வேண்டாம். If you want only chitta shuddhi, எனக்கு மோட்சம் போதும்ப்பா அண்ணா, இது ஒன்றும் இல்லைன்னா கூட பரவாயில்ல. சுச்சியே அவசியம் கிடையாது, நிஷ்காமத்தையாக பண்ணணும். எனக்கு சித்த சுத்தி போதும். சித்த சுத்தி இருந்தால் கண்டிஷன்ஸே கிடையாது, ரூல்ஸ். நெக்ஸ்ட் यशः प्राप्नोति विपुलम् याति प्राधान्यमेव च अचलां श्रियमाप्नोति श्रेयः प्राप्नोत्यनुत्तमम् विपुलं यशः प्राप्नोति. Having fulfilled those conditions, all those conditions, first line, previous verse, conditions fulfilled. Saha, such a person, such a devoted, such a pure-minded person who is alert, such person, vipulam yashaha prapnoti. Vipulam means extensively, abundantly, totally, in large way. Yashaha prapnoti. Yashaha means fame. Yashas. Prakhyati, name and fame you can take. Yashas, Shreyas, Yashahan, Prapnoti, attains. So, for a Nishkama Bhakta, they are all byproducts. For a Sakama Bhakta, they are main products. So, both are going to get benefit. So, even I ask for moksha, that person who desires moksha also get Yashaha Prapnoti. அப்போ மோட்சம் வந்தானே நான் கேட்டேன் எஸ்எஸ் வராதுன்னு கிடையாது. எஸ்எஸ் ஆல்சோ இன்க்ளூடெட். ஃபார் ஒரு சகாம பக்தா மோக்ஷா இஸ் நாட் இன்க்ளூடெட், யசஹா ஒன்லி இன்க்ளூடெட். ஸோ எல்லா இடத்துலையும் யூ ஹேவ் டு சப்ளை தட். ஃபார் மோக்ஷார்த்தி போத் வில் கம். திஸ் யசஸ் வில் கம், மோக்ஷா வில் கம். ஃபார் ஏ காமார்த்தி ஓன்லி மெட்டீரியல் பெனிஃபிட்ஸ் ஹூ டிசைர்ஸ் ஓன்லி யசஸ். இப்போ ரெண்டு வேணுமா ஒன்று போதுமான யூ டிசைர். ஸோ இஃப் யூ ஆர் மெச்சூர் யூ வில் டிசைர். So, pradhanyameva cha yatina. Pradhanyameva means he become, pradhanyam means important person, popular person. Pradhanyam, enga pona, wherever that person is there, he is the first, best. In education also best. In household duties also best. Whatever, wherever you go and compete, you are the first. And everybody looking at you only for your suggestion. That means pradhanya. Everybody is giving importance to you only, that is called pradhanya. So all of their eyes are looking at you for their suggestion, at least suggestion, or you are an exemplary for them. So that is pradhanya. Mukhyam. The pradhanyama irukkiradhu. People are trying to get pradhanyam by pushing others back. முன்னாடி பிராதானியம் இருக்கிறன்னு புல் பண்ணி they want to push them back and they want to become pradhanya. This is not the right way of becoming pradhanya. So the pradhanyata should come by your character, by your nature, not by force. You cannot pull and bring that pradhanyata. Whenever you are very pure, when you are in that higher mature status, cultured person, never think of pradhanya. It comes spontaneously, naturally it comes. That dull-witted people, now we are seeing in the society, dull-witted people, non-thinking people only try to get pradhanya. எனக்கு pradhanya இல்லையே, எனக்கு importance இல்லையே, first role கூப்பிட்டு உட்கார வைக்கணும். If you are fit for that, you need not desire for that. They themselves call you. And that person who is matured, cultured, never desire for that. You are not cultured, you are not matured, you are not having any intelligence, but you desire for that. But you are not deserved. So such people are there thriving in the society. There is a competition, tug of war everywhere. So pradhanyanta comes by your way of living, by way of thinking, your way of behavior. The pradhanyata comes. Therefore pradhanyamevacha, and what he attains, achalam shriyam prapnoti, steady. Shriyam means Lakshmi, wealth. Shri henna Lakshmi. Shriyam avapnoti, achalam shriyam. Achalam shriyam is what? Achalam shriyam in the Lakshmi Devi chanchalam. How she can become achalam? Knowledge that Lakshmi Devi has to invite, cooperate with her Saraswati Devi, it is called accommodation. If the Lakshmi Devi will not accommodate Saraswati Devi, she is chalam. No, she has to move. Will go. How she moves? படிப்பு இல்லாதவனுக்கு, ஞானம் இல்லாதவனுக்கு பணம் எப்படி யூஸ் பண்றவனே தெரியாது. So the Lakshmi Devi says goodbye. If Saraswati Devi is there, knowledge is there, he knows how to use that money, how to handle that money. For dharma's sake he use. When he is doing for dharma's sake, naturally he become popular. When he becomes popular, he will get more name and fame, he will get more money. So when he get more money, dharma will increase, he will get more money. Dharma increase, more money. This is a secret. This is a secret. நிறைய பேருக்கு தெரியாது. அதான் dull-witted people சொன்னது காரணம். மூடாஹான். The intelligent people knows this secret. That's why many people, you see, learn more money, spend for dharma karyam. You are spending 100 rupees for dharma karyam, it comes into 1000 rupees. Another way. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಚುಮ್ಮಾ ಸ್ವಾಮಿನಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ. ಚುಮ್ಮಾ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ is telling, it is proof is there, no? It is true, not chumma. Okay, Shriyam avapnoti. Therefore Saraswati, Lakshmi Devi have to be both together, knowledge, jnanam and dhanam. Then shreyaha, uttamam shreyaha avapnoti, prapnoti. Anuttamam. Anuttamam means na anyaha uttamam asti. There is no anyaha uttamam. Whatever prosperity he gets, adukku equal aanadu vere kadiyadu. That means what? The highest, the greatest, the best he gets. Idu vela unparalleled nu sollam. So na anyaha uttamam vidyate. Idha uttamam. Idukku vere innonu uttamam irukana, the best innonu irukana kadiyadu. This is the best. Ennade moksha, jnana. So all this uttamam, whatever we are seeing, relative. Temporarily they give, this is uttamam, this is best, this is good. And the house, some houses you go, when you enter into a new house, this is the best house. Palasu vide nallave illa, idha nalla irukonu. Adalla relative uttamam. கொஞ்ச நாள் அப்புறம் தான் தெரியும், நல்லா மழை வந்தப்புறம் எங்க பார்த்தா தண்ணி. So whatever we are seeing in our life is all relative uttamam only. If everybody attests it, if they know they are all relative uttamam, they will come directly for moksha. But they seek that relative temporary uttamam, the best in the worldly things. அதுக்கு தான் இத்தனை வருஷம் ஆகுது மோட்சத்துக்கு வர்றதுக்கு. It takes time and I am happy with this. I am happy. One person said, no, my wife is happy in her house. He said he's very well educated person. Now, he's very popular person also. And we ask, you bring your wife also, she also can do some work, social work, something long back. And we said, she's happy at home. That means you mean that we are not happy in our house. We are not happy, that's why we came out. அதனால் பேசும்போது ஜாகிரதையாக பேசணும் இல்லையா? Many people think, I am happy with my job, I am happy with my children, I am happy. What happy? Uttamam, but happiness only Uttamam only, relative happiness. All are relative, means they are going after some time. So that's why Anuttamam and Moksha. The Moksha. Therefore, Prapnoti. Shreyaha means Shreyas. Shreyo Marga is what? Moksham. Parama Shreyas, Anuttamam, unparalleled. That Shreyas he gets in Moksha, he comes. Next sloka. न भयं क्वचिदाप्नोति वीर्यं तेजश्च विन्दति भवत्यरोगोद्युतिमान् बलरूपगुणान्वितः People are very fond of studying, reading this Phalashruti, because so many things he has said. But Kvachit Bhayam na apnoti. If you chant, recite Vishnu Sahasranama, Bhayame irkadan. Bhayama illam irkama. But Vishnu Sahasranama, if you chant, you are free from fear, means slowly. 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 Swami says, Puja Swami, how to explain slowly? How a teacher can explain slowly? Tell me. Swami says, slowly. That means what? This person also get moksha after some time slowly. Then, when he is free from ajnana, he is free from fear. Therefore, kvachid bhayam na apnoti. Relatively, when he is gone chanting at least Bhagavan Nama, munnadi madri bhayam irukadu. Adha koncham dhairiyam varum. The more you chant Bhagavan Nama, the timidity will go first. And the timidity and the bhayam poradukada in the japamu, mantram ella solradhe. So slowly that relative bhayam reduce, slowly come to abhayam by getting jnanam. So that absolute, free from absolute fearlessness comes only by jnanam. Relative fearlessness comes only by this chanting mantra. Start with this at least. Relative fearlessness you have to start. Then you come to absolute fearlessness. Therefore, bhayam kvasidapi na apnoti. Viryam tejascha vindati. He attains viryam, valor, strength, physical strength, good health, tejas. Tejas means here kanti, face, no? In the face there is a kanti, not only face, whole body. Kanti varam, prakasham. Amma light venda. Kanti and shining. Such person, எப்போதைతే பகவான் பக்தி சாண்டிங் இருக்குமோ மனசுல இருக்கிற கவலை எல்லாம் போயிடும். கவலை போன castor oil face will go away. When the castor oil face goes away, the face will blossom. அதுதான் தேஜஸ் என்னங்க. அவளுடைய ஃபேஸ்ல எவ்வளவு தேஜஸ் இருக்குன்னு. Therefore you see the people, religious people, bhakti, puja, panaskaram, those are doing, their face is always with tejas. Because their mind is not overpowered with sorrows, worries, problems. They have diverted their mind, they have diverted their whole problems, surrender to Ishvara by Nama Japa. Mind is always occupied with Bhagavan Namam. Therefore no psychosomatic elements. Because psycho means mind, soma means body. These psychosomatic elements comes the more you worry. But his worry is not on worldly things. Now his mind is diverted to Bhagavan. Therefore no worries. So no BP, no headache, no backache, no problem at all. Adella yosikkiradhukku time irundadane. That's why people who are all involved in bhakti, devotion, puja, punaskaram all the time, with compared to all people, the heart attacks are very less for these people. Blood pressure also less. Definitely. Adukkahavadu at least go to temple and do pradashanam. So that is physical health they get. So that mind reflects on the face. So my face is tejas. It is relative tejas. So what is ultimate tejas? Jnana tejas. ఇప్పుడు కొంచెం కొంచెం ఇరింది మనసు శుద్ధమైన ఉడనే அந்த தேஜஸ் ஸ்லோலி லீட் டு ஞானம் அந்த ஞானம் லீட் டு ஞானம் என்ன குரு கிட்ட போகணும் you have to go to guru and study shastra and attain ஞானம் அந்த ஞான தேஜஸ் வரும் ஞானம் compared to agni just agni is so shining tejas is there similarly this person face is also shining because of ஞானம் ஆனந்தமோ ஆனந்தம் குதிக்க மாட்டேன் அவ்வளவுதான் he is not jumping he is happy then Vindati, he attains. Then arogaha bhavati. Arogaha dyutiman rupa bala gunanvitaha bhavati. Anvaya arogaha bhavati dyutiman bhavati bala rupa gunanvitaha bhavati. You can supply that bhavati. He will become arogaha, free from disease. So நான் இப்பதான் சொன்னல கரெக்டா அதான் எப்படி டிசீஸ் வரும் so you can postpone at least even the chronic disease hereditary disease இருந்தா கூட postpone பண்ணிடலாமே தள்ளிடலாம் அப்படியே கொஞ்ச நாள் so dyutiman endowed with that kanti same tejas like that divdhat dyutiman bala rupa gunanvitaha bala means strength நல்ல பலம் இருக்கும் strength வெள்ள சைக்கோசோமேட்டிக் டிசீசஸ் வராதுன்னு சொல்றதுக்கு ஒரு வார்த்தை சமஸ்கிருதத்தில் சொல்றாரு அவர் தான் பலம்னா ஸ்ட்ரென்த் ஃபிசிக்கல் ஸ்ட்ரென்த் மென்டல் ஸ்ட்ரென்த் இன்டலெக்சுவல் ஸ்ட்ரென்த் என்ன நோ இன்ஃபீரியாரிட்டி காம்ப்ளெக்ஸ் இந்த பக்தனுக்கு எப்பவுமே இன்ஃபீரியாரிட்டி காம்ப்ளெக்ஸே கிடையாது when you are the more materialistic you compare with others you are always dissatisfied with that competition the more you come to this field of jnanam slowly this feeling of inferiority complex will reduce it has to reduce இன்னும் reduce ஆகலன்னா மண்டையில ஏறலன்னு அர்த்தம் அது இன்னும் outsideல இருக்கேன்னு அர்த்தம் so no feeling no complexes at all so bala gunanvitaha rupa gunanvitaha beautiful form ரூபம் also அழகா பார்க்கிறதுக்கு அழகா இருப்பான் இருக்கனே இல்லையா பக்தர்கள் எல்லாமே so all the devotees you see with compared to others as a devotee and there is some decoration that decoration itself gives some beauty rupam gunam also first bhaktan மாதிரி நடிக்கணும் fake it and make it பூஜ்ய சுவாமி சொல்லுவார் பக்தனி மாதிரியே நடு என்ன பக்தன் கிடையாது நிஜமா பார்த்தேன் எல்லாமே அக்கிரமம் பண்றேன் but act like a bhakta go to temple பட்டை இது போட்டுக்கோ சந்தனம் போட்டுக்கோ குஞ்சுக்கோ வச்சுக்கோ நல்ல எல்லாம் அம்பாள் மாதிரி அவனை சிவன் மாதிரி all gents also like that so act like a bhakta fake it first then slowly you will become a real bhakta make it எல்லாமே ஞானி மாதிரி நடு ஞானி எப்போ இருக்கார் அப்படியே இமிட்டேட் பண்ணி அதுக்கப்புறம் you will become like that வேற ஏதாவது இமிட்டேட் பண்ணக்கூடாது அது ரொம்ப டேஞ்சர் இது இமிட்டேட் பண்ண கொஞ்சம் சேஃப் எப்படியாவது ஏன்னா பகவான் இருக்காரு சேஃப் பண்றதுக்கு மற்றதெல்லாம் இமிட்டேட் பண்ண அவ்வளோதான் உலக்கு கீழே போயிடும் பாத்தாளத்துக்கு ஸோ தேர்ஃபார் எதுக்கு மற்றதெல்லாம் இமிட்டேட் பண்ணக்கூடாதுன்னு சொன்னால் வாட் எவர் யூ ஆர் கோயிங் டு இமிட்டேட் தேர் ஆல் டெம்பரரி நவ் டுடே ஹீரோஸ் ஆஃப் கிரிக்கெட் ஹீரோஸ் அண்ட் சினிமா ஹீரோஸ் ஆர் ஆல் தே ஆர் இமிட்டேட்டிங் ஆஃப்டர் சம் டைம் தேர் ஆல் பிஹைண்ட் த பார்ஸ் ஸோ மெனி கிரிக்கெட் பிளேயர்ஸ் gone to behind the bars actors எல்லாமே ஸ்கேண்டலிங் இந்த நம்ம எப்போ என்ன கத்தி இது those are imitating so அதுதான் டேஞ்சர்னு சொன்னது காரணம் so take the heroes such heroes who are all ஆச்சந்திரதாரா இருக்கும் not temporary 40 years and out their life they are not fit for so therefore the Kapil Dev and these people are asking people are crazy fans of Kapil Dev and Kapil Dev ke theriyumo theriyado Kapilacharya anu per Kapila Maharshi பேர் அது Kapil Dev அவருக்கு தெரியாது what to talk of fans impossible so therefore names அண்ட் இமிட்டேஷன் எனக்கு அந்த பேர் வச்சு அந்த மாதிரி வாழணும். ஸோ இமிட்டேட் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஆஸ் ஏ பக்தா, நத்திங் ராங் இன் தட். ஸோ பலரூப குணான்விதா, the gunam also, the Bhagavan's gunam and Bhagavan rupam, the more you see, the more you invoke, it comes to you. முள்ள முள்ளமாக இமிட்டேட் பண்ணி తర్వాత பகவானுடைய தெய்வீ சம்பத்தை ஊன பண்ணி, பகவான் நீ அங்கே எங்கே இருக்கப்பா, இங்கே தான் இருக்கான்னு சொல்லணும். அந்த ஸ்டேஜுக்கு அந்த அளவுக்கு அந்த தைரியம் வரணுமே. டப்ப டப்பா இங்கே வாசிக்கக்கூடாது. people are afraid of Bhagavan. Real courage is, that's what abhayan. Bhayam, what is real bhayam? As long as you see Bhagavan differently, you have tremendous bhayam. So imitate panni Bhagavan, worship and look him outside, do worship and lot of do upasana and say, you are not outside, you are in me. You are not in me also, you are me alone. What a courage. That is real bhakti, that is real abhayam, that is real tejas. So then Bhagavan also so happy. Next sloka. We'll read next class. So okay, up to here is enough. Gunanvitaha means endowed with. Gunanvitaha means endowed with balam, gunam, rupam, arogaha bhavati, dyutiman bhavati. There's so many benefits. மறக்கக்கூடாது திருப்பி அது சொல்லும்போது அப்படியே you have to live in that teaching. The whole day I have to live in that teaching continuous. That's why tat kadhanam tat chintanam anyonyam tat prabodhanam. Always talk about the raga. வாயிலிருந்து வார்த்தை வந்து அது பகவானுக்கு சம்பந்தமானது தான் இருக்கணும். That வார்த்தை, that word should be useful for my spiritual progress. That's why control the tongue means this is வாக் சுத்தி. எப்படி வரும்? டாக் மாடரேட்லி. வாட் டு டாக், வாட் நாட் டு டாக். பகவான் பற்றி பேசணும், பகவான் பற்றி கேட்கணும், பகவான் பற்றி. தட்ஸ் வை கிருபானந்த வாரியார் இஸ் டெல்லிங் ஆல்வேஸ் தி லெக்ஸ் வில் டயர்ட் ஆஃப்டர் சம் டைம் வாக்கிங், ஐஸ் வில் so also tired after seeing some time. Even eating so much, your digestion system also will get upset. By writing, hands also will get tired, but ears never get tired by listening. So therefore rely upon ears. Don't rely upon even notes, cassettes, current, idellame kediyadu. Ears and buddhi. Beautiful. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shantihi. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.